I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's who's?
At the Reignin' Eastgate car meet now, guys. Got an SPX right here. This thing is clean. This motherfucker is at least 12 inches off the ground. Yes, sir.
How much is it? Not much more than your back. Not gonna lie. How about so 1, 2, 3.
All types of different nice cars here tonight.
Whatever. I hope you have a miserable time.
Camaro, Z01. Z01's clean. There's a Shelby. Damn, that Z01 sounds nasty. There's a Shelby. Pro Charge.
Yeah, I have a draft coding.
That Z01 still going crazy over there, guys. There's an old vet, older vet. Let's say old, 2 old vets. Still in great condition. Look at the tail lights on that. That's pretty cool. With the blue underglow. There's the Monte Carlo. Damn. Some more stuff over here. There's a real nice ass Corvette over here. Nice ass Corvette. Look at the paint.
Yeah, I can tell it was a wrap.
Z06. BRC, good enough garage. It's another car group. Honda S2000. I think this has like 215s in it. Yeah, right back there. Might be just 212s. BRZ. This whole lot's full tonight. A whole entire lot. Sorry the camera looks so blurry. Got different recording doing that right now. Trying to fix the recording. looks a little more clear when I zoom it in. Look at that. I like how the tint's blue. Here's a ST. Kia, Honda. There's some more stuff back here in the back row. A lot of stuff cleared out. It started raining, guys. Here's a GTI. Nah, I don't think so.
I was putting up the window.
Yeah, I said I'm gonna go roll up my window and then he never comes back.
This Mustang is definitely nice. It's Cobra.
Like I can hold her, that's about it. Don't worry about it.
Help, kitty.
Yeah.
Oh, that shit was good.
Going all the way out here.
Hellcat, man.
So
Hellcat,
you going all the
man.
way out here?
Hellcat, man.
I don't know.
Yeah, I know.
I'm with him.
You know him from NKU?
Yeah.
Where you be safe, bro? I'll probably see you.
Scat pack. Another scat pack. Maserati. Or is it a Genesis? I'm gonna call it a Maserati. Somebody's up here bumping. I can hear that for sure. Somebody is definitely up here bumping. We'll get some more people leaving. We'll get that in the video too. Look at the logo. Logo lights up. What is that? All carbon fibered out. A bunch of Mustangs. A bunch of look at See what's bumping over here.
Yeah, you just like pull my hair
I've got tape, so there's lamps around
This car right here. come supercharged, don't they? Yeah. What you got done to it?
A lot. That's a big list.
That's not bad. Damn, that motherfucker's loud. We got both of the Corvettes sitting here together. There's Pontiac.